Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to crop your video in CapCut PC. Cropping video is a very important tool to make your video fit in the area you have and used very often by editors. So in order to crop your video, just select the video on the timeline, then click the crop button in the middle. This will bring up the cropping menu. From here, you can do a custom crop or you can crop your video using one of the crop ratios. For example, the 16:9 crop ratio is for YouTube videos, while the 9:16 is for TikToks or YouTube Shorts. You can also rotate your video in the crop menu to make a diagonal crop. I don't really know anyone who uses it, but maybe one day it will be helpful for you. If you ever make a mistake while cropping your video, you can just push redo. When you are done cropping, push confirm and your video will now show as the cropped video in the media player. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.